Good morning, welcome back to the channel. I have a few hours here before I have to go into work, and I decided to actually come in and install the shocks. We're going to install the rear shocks only. Now unfortunately I'm still waiting on the U-bolts for my blocks, so I can't finish the whole rear end today, but we'll get it started at least by installing the shocks. Very simple setup. It's 3 bolts each, and we should be done pretty soon here. I'll go ahead and do a time lapse for you guys, just so you guys can see how easy it is for installing this kind of shocks. And yeah, let's get this process started. First set of shocks are installed. Old ones, Bellstein, not really the best for drag racing. So pretty simple, pretty easy. We're gonna go ahead and get the other side done now and clean up, go to work. Alright, so here we are, out with the old, in with the new. Beautiful, beautiful, super simple installation. Literally 3 bolts on each. We're good to go. Now we just gotta wait for the U-bolts to come in to put in the blocks, and the rear suspension should be done. Then it's gonna be obviously the most annoying one, which is the front, but we'll get to that when we get to that. But I'm happy at the fact that we got the rear shocks in. I'm putting some air on this tire. I think I have a leak. Might be the valve stem on this tire, because I came to the storage and it was flat. So I'm assuming it's the valve stem. I'm gonna put some air on it, drop the truck, see how soft the suspension is. Right, so let me tell you something. This is gonna be incredible. All right, just because of how soft it is. It's incredible. Yes, I do have it on the lowest settings, but oh my God, take a look at this. Take a look at this. Wow, that's just the shocks itself, and we still got to do the front shocks and obviously the big boy springs in the front. We also got to put in the blocks for the back, because these shocks aren't meant for a 2.5 to 3 inch drop on the rear, and obviously I shouldn't be even driving without these blocks on those shocks. I don't want to blow them, so I'm going to lift up the truck again, just for the sake of making sure that I don't blow them. I don't want to overextend them. But this is incredible, guys. This is literally incredible on how soft it is. Before, it used to be 100% stiff, where it's just like and now it's just you see it on the bed, and you feel it. I don't have to put force into it. So that's just amazing upgrade. Amazing upgrade. I can't wait. I can't wait to have time to finish the front suspension and go out testing, because this is going to be a huge difference on both the street and the track. So stay tuned. It's Christmas time, guys, so it's hard for me to get breaks, you know, between work. The kids, they're on vacation. I'm about to be on vacation next week, so they're going to be at the house for a few weeks. So it'll be tough to get some time to come in and put into work, but I'll figure it out. I'll probably take a day, sometime to get the front suspension on and finish up this whole upgrade. The intercooler is already done. I just gotta go pick it up. Again, I haven't had a chance to go pick it up. I haven't had a chance to do anything. I'm supposed to go to work at 11. It's 9 in the morning. I came in here at 8 o'clock in the morning. So here we are, trying to figure this out, but amazing upgrades. I mean, this is incredible. Calvert racing suspension. For now, it's been good.